Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. In this video, we're going to install CLion on a Chromebook. So the first thing we need to do is enable the Linux development environment. To do that, I'm going to click on the launcher here and find my settings. Click on Settings, go to the left-hand side, go to Advanced, click on that, and this tab should expand and you'll see Developers. I'm going to click on that, and where I see Linux Development Environment, I'm going to click Turn On and then Next. It'll give me a username which is based off of my email, I believe. I'm going to keep that as is, and a recommended disk size which can be changed later. I'm going to keep that as is. I'm going to click Install, and that's going to take a few moments, so I'll come on back once that's done. Okay, once the Linux development environment is installed, a terminal will pop up. I'm going to maximize this and increase the font size so you can see what I'm doing. I want to make sure everything is up to date, so I'm going to type sudo apt-get update and then 2 ampersands, which means and then sudo apt-get dist-upgrade. And I'm going to use a -y flag so I don't have to answer yes to the additional space. I'm going to hit enter. This will take a few moments, so I'll come on back once that's done. Okay, once the Linux development environment is enabled, let's open up a browser window and let's search for CLion. Okay, that starts with a C, then Lion. We're going to see this link from JetBrains. Let's click on that, and I'll click Download. We want to make sure we're downloading for Linux, so we're going to click on the Linux tab, and we want to download the .tar.gz file. So let's click Download. Once CLion is downloaded, we'll find it in our Downloads folder. What we can do is right-click and then cut it, and we want to paste it into our Linux files. Once it's pasted into our Linux files, let's pull back up the terminal. We'll list out our storage. We see we have CLion there. And we want to unzip this and put it in the opt directory. To do that, I'm going to type sudo tar-xvf, then start to type CLion, hit tab to autocomplete, do a -c and then a /opt, and hit enter. Once that's complete, I'll do /opt, / and then I'll start to type CLion, hit tab, then type bin, and then start to type CLion and hit tab, and so the end should be clion.sh. I'll hit enter. Okay, the JetBrains user agreement will pop up. I'll click to confirm and then click continue. Okay, and CLion pops up. You'll see here it'll prompt me to log into my JetBrains account or start a free 30-day trial or buy a license. At this point, CLion is installed on the Chromebook. I hope you liked this video. If you did, like and subscribe.